Welcome to JH. Today we're settling the ultimate 2025 tech debate, the VSeeBox V6 versus the Superbox S6. The VSeeBox V6 is swinging for the fences with Android 14 and 8K HDR playback, marketed as a future-proof 2026 model, because apparently 2025 is already old news. It's a powerhouse designed for the spec-obsessed crowd who actually enjoy spending their Saturday nights digging through customization menus instead of just watching a movie. On the other side of the ring, the Superbox S6 focuses on simplicity, offering 4K on the Ultra and 6K on the Max with Wi-Fi 6 support. It's a classic plug-and-play setup, perfect for people whose technical expertise ends at knowing which side of the battery is positive. While the VSeeBox V6 wins on raw resolution and the ability to tweak every minor setting, the Superbox S6 wins by not making you want to throw your remote through the window during installation. To break it down, the V6 gives you that crisp 8K and the latest Android OS, but it comes with a setup process that's a bit of a headache. The S6 offers preloaded apps and smooth, reliable playback, though you'll have to settle for slightly lower resolution and fewer toys to play with in the settings. If you want to be ready for the future, or at least look like you are, go with the VSeeBox V6. But if you just want to sit on your couch and have the thing actually work the first time, the Superbox S6 is your best bet.